The mega cap tech stocks, meanwhile, they've been caught up in the recent market volatility, down around 19% since the president took office, but up today. All of this despite tech CEOs' efforts to court the president's favor. Deirdre Bosa has more in Tech Check. Deirdre.
Kelly, so tech really flipped the script for Trump 2.0. They played nice. You saw visits to Mar-a-Lago, millions of dollars in donations to Trump's inauguration, hundreds of billions of dollars in American manufacturing projects. Yet they're facing arguably more uncertainty and hostility than they did during the previous administration. For Apple, there's no indication that Tim Cook's playbook will work this time around. The company reportedly airlifting 600 tons of iPhones from India to beat the tariffs. Shares are down 15% since Trump was sworn in. Meta and Alphabet, meanwhile, they stand to lose control of some of their most critical and lucrative businesses. Monday, the FTC's antitrust trial against Meta, that kicks off, which could result in the company divesting Instagram and WhatsApp. Remember, the DOJ, they want Google to sell off its Chrome browser. Then there is AI, the biggest technology shift in at least a generation. Tariffs threaten to raise input costs for data centers. And even if AI spending is reaffirmed, as it has been by the likes of Andy Jassy and Sundar Pichai over the last few days, they're now getting less bang for their capex bucks. Raising the question, Kelly, does American tech now risk falling behind just as demand is exploding? And could it hand China the edge? Companies like Huawei, ByteDance, DeepSeek, robotics companies, many of them are moving aggressively to scale AI, and they are backed by state support. So the stakes here, Kelly, they're only rising.
Is it a philosophical difference, or is it too soon to tell?
A philosophical difference the difference is that I think tech thought they were going to get a lot more out of this administration, especially as the Trump administration filled the White House with people from Silicon Valley, like David Sachs, like Mark Andreessen, like Elon Musk. Tech leaders, mega cap CEOs, they played nice, maybe thinking that they'd get some relief, but that is not at all the way it's going. And, the tariff picture makes that crystal clear. And China, looking very opportunistic, may take the chance to really give their own companies a boost.
All right, Deirdre, thanks very much today. We appreciate it. Deirdre Bosa.